May I please, madam?
Yes, please.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 12 and 13. My lord,
Yes,
this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks. My lord.
you are the counsel for the
Petitioner, my lord. With consent from the other side, I am praying. My lord.
Mr. Sensor. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord. May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, your lordship. The state has already filed their affidavit. So we want to file affidavit in reply against the affidavit of opposition filed by the state, your lordship.
Mr. A.K. Singh,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time
Lordship.
to file rejoinder affidavit. To file rejoinder affidavit. Stop. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Lordship, my lord.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, my lord. I'm going to file affidavit in opposition the course of the day, my lord. So sometime, my lord,
You are the counsel for the
for the respondent number 7,
R7.
R7.
Mr. Sensor. Learned counsel for the respondent number 7. Submits that he will be filing the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 7 in the course of the day.
My lord, matter fixed after 20
Listed
March.
after 2 weeks. Okay. Okay,
Date may be given,
2 weeks.
my lord.
Okay,
My lord, date may be given, otherwise we'll have,
you have BC, anytime you can appear.
we are Guwahati-based advocate, that's why
Okay. Yes,
we're facing
what
problem.
date?
A date may be fixed, my kindly, my lord. 27 March, my lord. 27 March.
Listed on 13/3/2024. Okay,
Applies. May I please?
yes, please.
Lordship, I have filed one IA, Lordship,
Yes,
and this matter will be come up tomorrow, Lordship.
yes.
So there is another IA which is,
This motion matters?
no, Lordship, this this will be come up in the order columns tomorrow, Lordship.
Yes.
So-
What is that for?
That's for vacation of the stay order, Lordship. So there are two connected IA which has already been filed, Lordship. So that matter will be come up on 27,
Listed before the court number 2 tomorrow.
Lordship.
Listed before court number 2.
So,
Yes.
Lordship, I want this matter to be listed on 27, not tomorrow, Lordship. Because there are two other connected matters will be come up on 27, Lordship. So it will be come up along with that.
Okay, let us.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yeah, please. Item number 15.
Huh?
Yeah, it may be adjourned today. We are for the respondent side. Consent has been taken.
You are for the
Respondent,
respondent number
3, 4, 5.
3 and 4. Mr. Sensor. The learned counsel for the respondent number 4.
Your Lordship, kindly 3 weeks may be given.
6 adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
I beg to mention item number 25 and 26, Lordship. I on behalf of Port Dugong, Lordship. This matter may be leased after 2 weeks, Lordship. Consent has been taken from opposite side, Lordship.
Well, I'm appearing for the respondent, my lord.
25.
And 26, Lordship.
You are the counsel for the.
I am for petitioner, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed.
My lord, this
Listed.
matters may be given same date, my lord, 13 March.
Okay, listed on 13/3/2024. Okay.
I'll have it.
My lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I like to mention one pending matter. This matter is pending for last since 2019. This is a pension matter.
Yes.
So matter may be listed tomorrow
Not tomorrow.
on 27. This is a
Is it
pension
for
matter.
hearing?
Yes, pension matter. Since pension is pending for last for 4 years, Lordship.
That's all right. If it is pending for the last 4 years.
Yes.
Why did you take chance?
And it matter was last listed on 11th.
It is listed on 4/3/2024. Okay,
Right.
May I please,
yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, my lord.
yes.
On behalf of Mr. O Modi, leading counsel for the petitioner, my lord. Matter may be listed after 4 weeks, my lord.
Why 4 weeks?
Yes, my
Mr.
lord.
Senso makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Be pleased, your lordship. I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 8.
Ah,
So in this matter, I'm filing rejoinder because all the respondent have already filed affidavit.
you are the
So
counsel for the petitioner,
petition. I need 2 weeks time, my lord.
Mr. Senso. The learned counsel for the petitioner. Seeks for 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Your Honor, I'd like to
Yes.
mention item number nine, Your Honor. On behalf of Mr. Titagum, who is the standing counsel for the education. Your Honor, he has been newly engaged in this as a standing counsel in this education
You are
department.
mentioning on behalf of,
Titagum, who is the standing counsel for education department.
okay, Mr. Senso. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
And Your Honor,
T. Tagum,
nine.
the learned standing counsel, education department, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed
And
accordingly.
Your Honor, pertaining to this matter, the record is not with him, so it may be listed after 3 weeks.
What is the record called for?
Your Honor, I have
If
no.
you don't know, then why are you submitting that? Okay, next.
My lordship,
Hmm.
I beg to mention item number 1 and 5, your lordship. Item number 1 on behalf of Binter Picha, B Picha, your lordship. This may be
Item
listed
number
after
1 on behalf of
B Picha,
learned counsel for the
petitioner. B Picha,
Mr. Senso.
2 weeks, your lordship. In item number 5, your lordship.
Please wait,
Okay.
Mr. Senso. Makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Yes, next.
Item number 5, in item number 5, your lordship, government has already filed affidavit. So we will be filing rejoinder.
Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Maybe
seeks for
listed
2
after
weeks-
4
2
weeks.
weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit.
Maybe
Prayer is
4
allowed,
weeks.
listed accordingly. Okay.
Item number 20, your lordship, I left.
Huh,
On behalf of J. Gini, your lordship,
huh.
this may be listed after 2 weeks.
On behalf of,
J. Gini, petitioner.
Mr.
Jo-
Senso. Makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of petitioner counsel and Pada.
7.
Your Lordship, the standing counsel of the possession. He is,
Pardon? You are mentioning on behalf of standing counsel,
not the conducting counsel, Your Lordship.
petitioner.
Yeah, petitioner counsel. That's N Pada, Lalo Pada.
Huh.
Let matter will be listed after 2 weeks.
Mr. Senso makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yeah.
And I'd like to mention item number 21, 22, and 23. On behalf of Senior Counsel, Mr. A. Kashyap, who is based out of Delhi, Your Honor. That is why he could not be present here. I've been informed by them to fix the matter on 18th of March, since he'll be available before this honorable court on that day.
MS Senso makes a mention on behalf of Mr. A. Kashyap,
A. Kashyap.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case on 18/3/2024.
18th of March.
18/3/2024.
Yes, sir.
Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Highly obliged.
May I appeal, Your Lordship?
Yes, you are out of service.
Yes, my
You
Lord.
are out of service.
Yes, my lordship.
My
My lordship.
lordship. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The present petition has been filed. Impugning the order dated 24/1/2017. Passed by the Commandant, 10 Battalion, ITBP. Removing the petitioner from service. With effect from 24/1/2007 within Brigade AN. Under section 51, clause C of ITBP Act 1992. And the letter dated 18/5/2017. Written by the Inspector General of Police. Rejecting the appeal dated 15/3/2017 submitted by the petitioner. And confirming the order dated 24/1/2017 passed by the Commandant, 10 Battalion, ITBP. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 4 weeks. After 4 weeks.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of all respondents, my lord.
All the
All
respondents.
respondents, all the respondents.
Mr. M. Katu, learned DSJ, appears for all the respondents.
Madam.
Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however take steps for service of notice for furnishing the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned DSGI within
Today on.
in the course of the day. Okay.
They will oblige.
Highly obliged, my lordship. My lordship, kind date may be fixed, my lordship.
4 weeks. The first time, 4 weeks.
Okay, okay. Highly obliged.
May I sign, my lord?
Yeah.
My lord, pleading is over in this case, my lord. My humble submission would be, my lord, matter may be admit and listed in the normal hearing list, my lord.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed. And therefore the matter can be taken up for hearing. Submit the petition related for hearing in the usual course.
Lord, interim, my lord, may be continued until part out of it.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Highly obliged.
My lord, challenging the impugned provisional land allotment issue to the police department, which my lord will find at page 36 to 37.
Where is the affidavit of the state?
Lordship, we have filed already.
You have filed.
Yes, Lordship. नहीं इसमें नो फाइल करेगा बोला
Land management also has filed.
In fact, last occasion he was directed to file in this matter, Lordship.
This is allotment matter which is within the domain of the deputy commissioner. If it will also be 2 weeks time, maybe, granted also for filing it. Well, this is something the land department need to assist the court on the law and the procedure of.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, the Land Standing Council for the Land Management Department listed after 2 weeks.
Millard, kindly make a small observation, the status quo till left.
Status quo.
Yes, yes,
No, Lordship,
because they are in possession of the land, but then,
we have already filed a affidavit, Lordship. Respondent number two
well,
and-
kindly appreciate the
Two
small
and
cause
three,
here.
Why status quo, Mr. Tara? Don't go deep. Why status quo?
Status
Yes, this is
quo
status.
is for the purpose that the land which we donated in terms of 2016 agreement, that 46.56 square meters of land were given to them. And this, now the government has come up with the allotment of this impugned order, 10,900 something square meters of the land, minus the police station where it is established by us. Then in 2019, in 2016 notifications, gazette notification, this part of the land does not falls under the law. Then again, the respondent, they come up with a theory that there is a 73 acres of the land, 73 acres of the land. Then the land department wrote to them that whether the process for issuing notification to acquire the land is in terms of the law or not. Then that particular was put into challenge before this Honorable High Court. And this Honorable High Court has stayed that proceedings. Now the land in question falls under that stay, my lord. Even then because they are serving us eviction notice, my lord.
Yes, ma'am. If status quo is
Lordship,
Order.
at this instance, we have filed our
how,
affidavit.
you please listen to me first.
Lordship,
If status quo is ordered,
yes.
how will the state be adversely affected?
Lordship, since the affidavit is already filed, Lordship, this can be
That-
fixed
that is
for
not
hearing
grounds
next week
enough to
also.
grant
Lordship.
status quo.
Status quo is a Lordship, something that we
No,
might,
no, that's
we
why.
might go for some
If
development.
status quo is granted,
Yes, Lordship.
assuming status quo is granted,
Yes, Lordship.
how will the state be adversely affected?
Lordship,
Tell me at least something.
Lordship, we might want to build some more, this one, Lordship, buildings in the
When the
allotted area, Lordship. Status quo. we
When the
might
case
not-
is pending,
Lordship,
when the case is pending, you still want to build up some structures?
Lordship is allotted to us, Lordship, the police, Lordship. Police station is there, Lordship.
Okay,
Yes,
let
Lordship.
us see. If police station
No,
is
no,
there,
Lordship, this may be,
Let us-
hearing
That
may
police
fix-
station,
Hearing may be
that,
fixed next week also,
that
Lordship.
police
We are ready,
station-
Lordship.
we are not raising any issue. Apart from the police station, there is no concept of provisional land allotment system in Arunachal. So the horse that they have done it, in spite of the fact that the state government, there is a stay order.
okay, well, let us
Then-
consider
then-
all this during hearing.
Then, my lord,
Lordship,
only then, instead of status quo order, no coercive action against the petitioners. That much, my lord. Because they have been serving us eviction notice and all, and then we are in a trouble always.
Lordship.
I was under the
hearing may be
impression that
fixed
last
next week then
occasion-
In that case, Lordship.
I was under the impression, a few occasions, that the respondent authorities would file the affidavit in time, so that matter can be disposed of.
Maybe
this
what
way.
was the order? Okay, we'll list it after 2 weeks, okay. fine,
Yes,
okay.
Lordship, I have already filed in.
Okay,
October
Mr. Tara, I
23
think
October.
let us bundle up everything and then let us actually in one go, I think we can dispose.
Yes.
After 2
Okay,
weeks.
but, then make this observation, kindly make this,
Lost.
with or without
Cannot
filing affidavit by the land department.
It is made clear that the Land Standing Council for the Land Management shall make an endeavor to file the affidavit before the next date of listing.
Right.
Yes,
Uh,
Lordship. That much only.
Okay.
Milord, I am extremely
Since I have
sorry
already
that
filed-
item 5, my younger had made a mention, Milord, that interim order was to be continued, Milord.
Item 5.
Item 5.
Okay, item 5. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the
Grateful.
next returnable date. Item
Grateful.
5. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 4.
Same. Park entrance. Purana.
Yeah, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, here in this case, your lordship, I was supposed to file rejoinder. Your lordship, I'm filing rejoinder today, your lordship.
Okay.
So matter may be
You are the
listed.
learned counsel for the petitioner,
Yes, your lordship.
Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will be filing the rejoinder affidavit in the course of the day. Listed after 2 weeks.
Your lordship, kindly, it may be listed as a admission for admission hearing.
Let us see, you have so many hearing pending.
Much obliged.
Okay.
Your lordship.
Yes,
My lord, I have just received the affidavit in opposition just now. And
by the state. ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I filed.
so I'll require some time to file a rejoinder, my lord.
Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks' time.
My lord,
To
4
file.
weeks, my lord.
3 weeks, he may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, interim order, Patanjali may kindly be
The
continued.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Yes, most obliged, my lord. Number 16 to 19.
What about 7? Oh. What is this? Sixteen to 19, these are. Yes, ma'am.
Mayor Melon,
Yes, please.
in this item, Melon, we need some time to file affidavit, Melon.
You are for the,
Respondent number 3 to 7, Melon.
what about government?
Government is filed. Lordship.
3 to 7.
Yes, Melon. We have filed our affidavit in item number 17 and 18, Melon. In item number 16 and 19, we have to file. In 17 and 18, we have filed, Melon.
You want to file affidavit
In
both items?
Item number 16, read petition number 539, and item number 19, read petition number 40, Melon. In this item, we have to file. So 2 weeks time, Melon.
You're the counsel for respondent number 3 to 7.
Yes, Melon.
Mr. So-and-so.
My lord, in item number 17 and 18, interim order may be continued.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the respondent number 3 to 7. 6 for 3 weeks' time. For filing affidavit in opposition in WPC 539/2023 and WPC 540/2023. Where is allowed, listed after 3 weeks. Stop. Next para. The interim order passed in WPC 217/2023 and WPC 218/2023 shall continue till the next returnable date.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Okay.
Item number 16 and 19 ना affidavit जो दिया था ना मेरा गाय बेकार आ गया मालूम नहीं उससे ले लेगा जरा